family. It's been, this is our 6th time in 6 years coming to the Akoma International Academy of Arts and Science in Ayen Sulu. We started in October 2011, and I'm so happy I met our sister Shakesha, and the legacy she decided to continue from her mother. And these are the things that we want to do. We want to keep things inconsistent when we're dealing with our future of nation building. So we're proud of all the work that we have done and contributed to the last six total times that we have came here. We have collected financial donations and school supplies, and we're recommending and also just reaching out to those of us in diaspora to connect with us and do the same. And these are things that can help grow. What I want to also do is give a big shout out to my sister Peppy Park, our foundation, and all of the work that she has been doing for our children here in Ghana, Give Black Foundation. And what she has done is put together a wonderful donation of $600, and along with that, our friend and our good associate sister Natasha Ryan has added $300 to that, making it a total of $900. And we donate this to the school for sponsorship for children. And also, kind of shout, say a few words about the donations you're accepting.
Hello, we are happy that you are giving us this donation. The children and teachers and staff members in our budget are come to thank you, and we are happy for this thing. The icon, the children are very happy. We say for God to bless you. Whatever you do before, God will bless you. Come to next year, bring more than this one. Thank you very much for having us.
Thank you, my sister. Sass, you've been with us for the first time, October 2011, and you're with us now, October 2016. Can you add a few words to what we have been doing over the years, and also add to your great donations and what you've contributed?
Greetings, family. It's again a pleasure to stand here at Akoma International School of Technology and Arts and Science, Akoma
International
Academy. I like to come to this place because of Sister Alma Cruz. And let's give Sister Alma Cruz, Mama Alma Cruz. Mama Alma Cruz, yes. And this is our family. And I remember the first time that we came here, we always have been greeted in such a grand style, like we've been welcomed home to this school with the best drumming and dancing. It's just amazing. Again, I want to acknowledge the school. I bring my gift of calligraphy always to this school, and I like to see it hanging in the classrooms. And Mama Shakesha, this is more for your staff. The words of our ancestors, Paul Robeson, Marcus Garvey, the Honorable Kwame Nkrumah, and this is for the school children and the staff, and for Mama Shakesha.
Oh, that's wonderful. I like that.
These symbols originate here, and we've been spreading them for a long time. Yes. And so it's good to always bring them back home, and you can mass produce them, you can laminate them, you can spread the word. You have my permission.
Oh, absolutely. So much. Thank you so much.
We just want to make sure that this Queen Mother here is always taken care of, and the children are always best taken care of. And then once I return home, I can be more here doing the what? Physical.
Yes, my sister.
My brother, I hear it's your anniversary. 10 years.
10 years.
10 years.
We've been coming here 5 years out of 10 years.
Love on the continent. And we thank you so much. We thank you, this brother right here, for always coming around and bringing so much love, joy, and resources to this school. It's enriched us immensely, and we thank you so much.
Appreciate you, sister.
Yes.